I've wanted to concentrate more on Greater Eurasia, but I see there have been questions about this concept of a common economic space from Lisbon to Vladivostok. So I would like to make only two short arguments about this. First of all, there is strong research going on, especially at our institute in Vienna, where we research the possibilities and challenges of a common economic space. And there is strong interest, especially from the French, European, German, and Italian business community in this project. And what are the interests of both sides? The interest of the European side is, of course, to get access to the Eurasian market, to get an equal treatment of the European companies, to increase exports to the Eurasian market, 180 million people buying European goods. That would be something great. And of course, energy stability, supply stability. The other side, the Eurasian side, our side, what are our interests in a common economic space? First of all, it would be to get technologies from Europe and to get investments. And of course, due to the sanctions and political problems, which I won't go into, now we see a steady increase of investments coming from the Asian market and a steady increase of the trade turnover with the Asian region. And the second point in this concern, in this relation, I would like to make is if we would come, let's say within 10 years, to a negotiation between the European Union, I'm finalizing now, Vanessa, and the Eurasian Economic Union, what could it look like? And basically, if we talk about a Lisbon, Vladivostok concept, a common economic space, no one really knows what it means. It's just a fancy name. Actually, we know what it means. It could be either of both. It could be either a non-preferential trade and economic cooperation agreement, as we are now going to have with China, Eurasian Economic Union and China, or it is going to be a asymmetric free trade agreement, as we have, for example, between Ukraine and the European Union, so that the European Union will scrap all its tariffs at once, and the Eurasian Economic Union will scrap tariffs concerning different sectors, where we will scrap some tariffs right now, others in 3 to 5 years, and then again to 10 years and so on. So this could be a possibility. The technical basis is given for a common economic space